My story actually began when I was 16 years old. My dad got me the first vehicle, and it was a 1993 Jeep Wrangler. It wasn't just a car, it was actually a bond between me and my dad. We did our first engine swap on that Jeep. That's definitely a memory that I will not forget. Our first big trip was in Moab, Utah. First time I hit that 110-degree temperature. One of the trails that we did, I think it was called Moab Rim, and it actually climbs right up, right beside the Colorado River, I believe it is. And as you're climbing, you're literally looking off the cliff down into the river. Definitely a feeling of freedom. Yeah, one thing about the Utah trip was me and my dad actually broke down. I think he broke a ring and pinion. We didn't get mad, we didn't fight about it, we actually just enjoyed it as part of the journey, part of the adventure, breaking down and fixing it. About 2 years ago, I got my first Wolfbox dash cam. It was my first experience with dash cam and with Wolfbox products, and I can actually see what obstacles I'm climbing. Rear view of the dash cams, I can see a wider angle of view, so I feel that it's really helping me feel safe while just driving down the road. That's one thing I like about Wolfbox. They have products that can actually help you. I can actually see my tire placement. I can make sure if I'm going up a canyon, my vehicle's exactly in the center. As a nurse, I hope to help more people and do meaningful things. And one time I was driving to work and I came up to a scene of an accident where a truck had rolled over. I assessed the driver. He was still stuck inside the truck. But I knew that with my vehicle being there, I had the dash cam recording the whole time. And I just felt actually safe knowing that this whole entire scene was being recorded. Yeah, I feel like Wolfbox, their goal is to create products that you can use to go on adventures, to live life, to enjoy life, and just be free to venture out.